How to save documents from Google Drive. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first let me open the Google Drive. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my browser. So first log in with your email ID. Now we need to in Google Drive. So Google Drive basically as a storage facility for your Google application like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form, and other application. You can see whatever you create in Google application, like any documents in Google application, it is only saved in Google Drive. You can find your document in Google Drive and Google Sheet separately, but if you find all documents in one place, you need to come in Google Drive. Here you can see all your documents and folder. Okay, so if you want to download documents from Google Drive, you can download from here. You can search from here. You can search by name like this. You have to just search the name like this. Okay, you can find the name or that document which have same title or may have same content, or you can also extract only documents in your home page. What you need to do, just go to the search icon. Here you can see the documents, or you can simply type colon documents, then you can see your all documents here. So if you want to download, you can download it. Okay, just you can click on this three dot option and go to the download. But in this tab you can see you can download in one format, which is document format. But if you want to download in other format like PDF or TXT file, you need to open that file, double click on it or open it, or you can right click and open with the docs. Okay, now just go to the file and you can download that file in your device in docs format, in PDF format, TXT format. You can also download as a web page. When you click and download, it will be download in your device. Okay, like this you can see it is download now as a PDF. You can see it. Okay, so it is downloaded as a PDF. And if you want to download all file at one, just select any file here, and now you have to hit the Control plus A. Okay, then all file will be selected like this. Now just click on this download option, then all file will be download in zip file, or you can just click on three dot option and click the download. Then you can see that all 26 file will start downloading like in zip file. Okay, so that is how you can download from your Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.